Greetings, my friends. This is Gilles Mansillon. I wanted to wish you a wonderful day. I'm going to come here as usual to discuss spiritual ideas and philosophies and practical advice. To take only what resonate with you. And if you're new to the channel, I thank you for subscribing. I thank you for liking, sharing, commenting, and for your donations. If you want a private session, you can send me an email. For it is important to be very conscious of the thoughts we cultivate, and to select, to give more power and time to the happy memories of our life, to the good times. Otherwise, we'll fall into victim if we start looking at the struggles of the past. We really want to let it in the past, and to cultivate those moments, those connections, everything we're flowing, and even the negative. If we can see the positive within the negative, we have transmuted situation. So it's about becoming a more discipline in our mind. And so it is very important for 3D behaviors we may overlaps with ascension path, 3D thoughts and behavior with our ascension process. For we were, when we come to live a life of service, we benefit from a lot more protection and assistance from the spiritual world. But a lot of people, we all like well on our way towards the ascension. And so, for insanity has become the norm on this planet, and the sanitary tyranny, the dictature, the complete, the paranoia, the germophobia, all those things is like, it's completely insane, and we have to navigate through those times. It will change really quickly. It will change from one day to the next, not one day to the next, but the change will be quick. This year, we're not going to carry this thing over for years and so on, like they're trying to implement it. So what we seek is to seek freedom from the matrix and staying above the chaos. It is very important to not allow to elevate your thoughts above all that. For today, I woke up completely exhausted, although I slept 8 hours. For we were all very enthusiastic to come into this incarnation because we knew it was such an important shifting time, and us from a soul level, from our soul is eternal, is an eternal universal beings, and this incarnation was very important to our soul. But then we didn't know how difficult it was going to be. Most people will recognize that. It's important not to let the fear rule, and to realize it's all an illusion, it's all a stage, except for nature, the animals, and the love we share. Everything is quite illusionary. It is a shadow matrix. It is a And so it is not to be taken too seriously. Know that everything, the life is created within the present. It's not created in the future or the past. And it is important to focus on positive things so that we can plant the seeds for higher evolution, higher growth. The past is serenity. The present is trust. And the future is success. Exactly the same card and same place that we had it in the French video. For what does success mean? Success means the dreams, manifesting our dreams and desires. What is it we seek to achieve is the light. And what further us on the way to victory and success is a learning process. What we're working on now is the solution. And what will come is protection. We'll be protected through the shift, through the great shift that is coming, and do not be concerned or worry about that. And so it is. We have to understand. It's like there is 3D third dimensional people, fourth dimensional, and then fifth dimensional. It's like caterpillars that are 3D. Caterpillars just eat and consume and consume and consume. Then there is at some point the caterpillar needs to go into this chrysalis to become isolated within to create this transformation. So that's why the isolation. Those are fourth dimensional beings. Fourth dimensional transition, and then emerge as butterfly in the fifth dimension. But butterfly do not come back to talk to caterpillars, and they talk among butterflies. They communicate with each other. So it's understanding other people will wake up when they will wake up, and those are some that will not wake up. They will stay in 3D. They're gonna fade into a parallel reality. It's important to pursue your interests regardless if other people do not share them, and find your joy and follow it. For when the shift, the truth is going to come and be revealed, it's like some people will be completely shocked and some will die from heart attack. They're so comfortable in their 3D illusion that when the bubble will burst, they will not be able to deal with it. But the more inner works we've done, the easier the process will be. We'll have much gratitude for having done this hard inner works, because it will be like waking up with the rising sun rather than when it's noon, when it's like, oh whoa. So it's like a more gentle awakening. So just do not neglect your inner self. Never neglect your inner self. And so it is. There's so many things that are about to come. It is important to accept, free will, to accept or reject the assistance of the spirit world. For the Christ made fulfilled his although he had much protection on the super conscious level, so much protection from the company of heaven. He did not choose consciously to implicate the company of heaven within his process of evolution towards this unification with the first source and center, with Paradise Father, but he achieved that. But for most people, they will not achieve that, and it's arrogant to believe to can reject the archangel, reject the angels, reject the guides, reject the company of heaven. That it will be so much harder and so much longer. So I'm personally, I've been working with my spirit guides for decades, and I'm very, very grateful for their continuous support and assistance and their love and their wisdom. So it is a choice, but to implicate, to invite into our life, to authorize the higher spirits to become more and more present within our life. And so for we have to expect a radical change to come. This is those revelation of truth will be shocking. For some time we have to deal with situations that are beyond our comprehension and our ability to affect. So that's where the power of prayer is very essential. Prayer should be the first thing you do, not the last thing you do, because when we pray, every thought is a form of prayer. So if prayer, in some sense, although when we pray, we have our intention is to turn to God, to Source. It is always the angels that are in charge of working with those thoughts and energies. So it is very important to prep for others, and for the will of God will find a way. There's always divine solutions, and when you move into this unity consciousness, miracles are natural things to flow into our life. We want to surrender our will to the divine will. For in each moment of the now, we can change everything. Sometimes there is black hats that become white hats, and it's wonderful that they are forgiven and welcome into the family of light. For all come from the light, all come from the great source, the great central sun that we know as Source or God. For the highest wisdom is to chop some wood, to get ready, that we're comfortable. What we need to understand is the wind of change. There's going to be a lot of change, so the wind is turning. Be ready. What we need to do is cleaning up. It's the house cleaning, to clean up our own life, so that we make space for the new to come. And the outcome will be flexibility, to remain flexible. To remain in the now, to surrender, to trust. The more we trust, the more we will feel the protection as well. We remember. We do not want to forget. We are extension of Source, and God is always with us. And so for our DNA codes is a programmation that makes all that we are. But but it's only a little fragment of our DNA that manifests our physical, our mental, our emotional, our karmic relationship, all of that. It is a replica of the DNA of the Creator. So we all have the totality of God within each and every one of us. But not everybody will awaken the same code. So you do want to call on this awakening, this remembrance of Source, so that you can activate the source code within yourself. And for it is the ego that controls our life here, but on the larger plane, on the eternal program, it is our soul that commands the experience of life. For when I say ego, is individual consciousness. For individual consciousness has to be in acceptance of working with this higher self, this soul, the heart, the deep, which are it is really what we seek, and we cannot find completion with someone else in 3D. We were looking for completion with other people, but it's like taking a piece from one label of cars to fix another cars. It's like it doesn't. We're all unique, and so we have to complete ourselves for ourselves, and then we'll attract the match on the outside. Sometimes we find people that are a match for us, but because they are very deep soul frequency. So I hope you find this message interesting. I received an email from YouTube to say they're gonna monetize the channel regardless. So then I'm gonna ask if there is commercials coming into this channel. It will not be my choice. It's because it is imposed. It's their platform. They do whatever they want. But I opened a channel on Odyssey. It's called Gilles Mansillon. If you want to follow me there, I'm gonna share the contents also over there just in case. And so I'm grateful to YouTube. It's quite a wonderful platform, and but I'm not really a big fan of multimedia advertisement, and so we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Well, I'm gonna finish with a song. It's a song that talks about a message from the Action Man. It's just to finish in music. It goes like this. Do you remember the guy that's been in such an early song? I got a rumor from ground control. Oh no, don't say it's true. They got a message from the Action Man. I'm happy, hope you're happy too. I've loved all I've needed love, sordid details following. Shrieking of nothing is killing just. Picture of Jap girl in synthesis and I ain't got no money and ain't got no hair. Hoping to kick but the planet is glowing, glowing, glowing. Ashes to ashes, funk to funky. We know Major Tom's a junkie. Strong out in heaven's high, hitting an all-time low. Time and again I tell myself, I'll stay clean tonight. But the little green wheels are following me. Oh no, not again. I am stuck with a valuable friend. I'm happy, hope you're happy too. One flash of light, but no smoking pistols. I've never done good things. I've never done bad things. I've never done anything out of the blue. Whoa. Want an axe to break the ice. Wanna come down right now. Ashes to ashes, funk to funky. We know Major Tom's a junkie, strung out in heaven's high, hitting an all-time low. My mother said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. My mother said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. My mother said, to get things done, you better not mess with Major Tom. It's great songs of David Bowie, Ashes to Ashes. And so I hope you have a wonderful day. We have to stay tuned, to be patient. It's a long and arduous program, and we've been through a lot, but let's try to leave the past to the past. And the final card of the day is the Three of Michael, to break free from the past. Michael is the great guardian. Is a seven-dimensional. He works from the seven-dimensional plane, where from the highest individualized light standpoint, and he will assist all that needs that he feels authorized within the law of one. He will assist. He will protect. He will guard. You will come out aggrandized from a situation you are living today. Time will always heal all the wounds, even the deepest ones. So it's very much about overcoming the wounds of the past, focusing on healing, selecting good memories, and staying positive as much as possible, allowing to feel whatever. If we're in the cocoon, we're in the transformational period. We have to allow the feeling of loneliness, of separation, of mourning, for all of that to evacuate, and not to forget that where we're going towards the great light, and we're going to come out as beautiful as self-empowered beings. I thank you very much. I wish you a wonderful day, and I'll talk to you later. Agape.